Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On the left, we have the eufy RoboVac 11S, and on the right, the Mopping Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Buckle up, folks, because this is going to be an exciting showdown. Let's kick things off with the price. Eufy comes in at $229, a bit on the higher side. On the other hand, Mopping is priced at $196, making it the more budget-friendly option. This round goes to Mopping for being easier on the wallet. Next up, let's talk about what you get in the box. Eufy gives you the RoboVac 11S remote control with batteries, a charging base, AC power adapter, cleaning tool, side brush, user manual, and a 12-month warranty. Mopping, on the other hand, includes a robotic vacuum cleaner, remote control with battery release, charging dock, power adapter, water tank with washable mopping cloth, dustbin with a high-efficiency filter, side brushes, user manual, FAQ, networking guide, and a 12-month warranty. Mopping takes this round too, offering more accessories. Now, let's compare the cleaning capabilities. Eufy is a straightforward vacuuming buddy, effective at picking up pet hair and dust, especially praised by pet owners. Mopping, however, is a two-in-one mopping robot vacuum. It can vacuum and mop, making it the multitasking superhero we all need. This round goes to Mopping for its versatility. How about smart features? Eufy is handy but basic, similar to a grandparent who just discovered texting. Mopping, however, is like a tech-savvy teenager. It has smart app and voice control, works with Google Assistant, and even has a remote control. Mopping bags another win here for its advanced smart features. Let's talk obstacle avoidance. Eufy has sensors to avoid obstacles, but Mopping has advanced 3D precise obstacle avoidance. Reviewers noted Mopping's efficiency in navigating around obstacles without human interference. Mopping wins this round for its superior obstacle avoidance. Battery life and self-charging? Both Eufy and Mopping offer up to 100 minutes of runtime and will return to their charging bases. However, Mopping adds 2 levels of intensity adjustment for different floor types. Mopping takes the cake for offering more customization options. Finally, let's talk cleaning modes. Eufy has a simple approach, effective but basic. Mopping offers 4 high-efficiency cleaning modes: Auto, Spot, Edge, and Zigzag. Reviewers appreciate Mopping's versatility in handling different cleaning tasks. Mopping wins this round too, ready for any mess you throw at it. Online reviews for both products are generally positive. Eufy RoboVac 11S is praised for its reliability and effectiveness in handling pet hair, although it struggles with black surfaces and cords. The Mopping Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo receives high marks for its versatility, ease of use, and advanced features, though it can get tripped up on thin wires and cables. And there you have it, folks. The Mopping Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo clearly takes the crown in this showdown. Eufy, you put up a good fight, but Mopping just had more tricks up its sleeve. If you're looking for a versatile, budget-friendly, and smart cleaning buddy, Mopping is your go-to. Thanks for watching, Buy Smart family. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep buying smart.